Hello students, now we will study the next topic, young ones to adults. So once we got either the baby will born through viviparous or the egg it will hatch through oviparous. Now the individual which are born or hatch from the egg, they will continue to grow to become adult. Now when we were kids, that time also we used to have 2 hands, 2 legs, 1 head, and we look similar. When we are adult also, we will have same only, we will have 2 hands, 2 legs, 1 head, isn't it? But what happens in some animals, the young ones may look very different from the adult one. For example, in frog, they undergo different stages when they grew up to become adult. So the frog, first they will lay egg. Now after laying egg, they will enter into a larva stage called as tadpole, and this tadpole will then develop legs and they will grow to another stage called as young frog. From young frog they will grow to become adult frog. So you can see here their life cycle. From egg it is becoming tadpole. From tadpole it will grow to young frog and then to adult frog. Now you can see here this tadpole stage, these tadpoles, they look so different from the adult frog, isn't it? The features that are present in adult, they are not found in the young ones, that is in the tadpole stage. In case of tadpoles, they transform into adult. They are now capable of jumping and swimming. But during tadpole stage, they don't have legs. So they develop to become adult and they are now capable of jumping and swimming. Now another example is that of silkworm. Silkworm, they will lay egg. The egg will develop to larva or the caterpillar. Now from caterpillar they will develop to pupa, and from pupa they will develop to become adult. This caterpillar or the pupa stage of silkworm, they looks very different from the adult moth. So this transformation of larva into an adult through drastic change is called as metamorphosis. Meta means change and morphosis means form. So you can say a change form. So this metamorphosis is a biological process of transforming a larva into an adult. This involves relatively sudden and abrupt changes in the animal structure, as we have seen in case of frog and silkworm. So these two are the examples of metamorphosis, frog and silkworm. Now what about human being? Do we also have metamorphosis? The answer would be no. In human being, body parts are similar to those in adult. They are similar what we got during the time of birth. So when we were baby, when we were kids, we will have same body structure as I have discussed, like we will have 2 hands, 2 legs, 1 head. In adult stage also we will have the same body structure. We do increase our height, our body parts will grow, but it doesn't mean that we are completely transforming into something new individual. So in us, metamorphosis doesn't occur.